Okay, sorry it's a little bit dark, but this is the entrance to my room. Open it. Ta-da! Just like an overview. Okay, so here's the door. I guess a normal door, I don't know. And then the back, I have a really old tripod and then yoga mat for exercising. And then on the back of the door, there's this little, what are these called again? Hooks. And then I just hang some pajamas that I think are cute. These are both thrifted, by the way. I got these a while ago. And then I have a cute door stopper. So cute, right? My door like naturally just, not naturally, I don't know. It just does that. I don't know why. So I have to have a door stopper. Then, as you can see, my almost dead plant. I'm just not really good at taking care of plants. So yeah, I need to do more research on that. And then I keep socks right there. And then I have some pictures with friends. They're Polaroids. I need to decorate the Polaroids to make them look cuter. And then my brother and sister. Oh my gosh. Do you see that? I wanted to like change it, but I thought that was like a cringy cute thing. So, and here's my mirror. I'm just wearing home clothes right now. I have this mirror. This is from TJ Maxx, but the thing is, it's only like, it's a kind of a weird like length. I don't know why I got it. It's one of those mirrors that you need to hang. You can't really take full body pictures. So here, I just have my phone and iPad there, and then I have this chest. There's just blankets in there. I can't really open it. It's hard to open. And then here's this shelf. Oh, by the way, this is thrifted. And then I have this cute little shelf here. I love it so much. My mom found it like at the thrift store. I can't believe she found this. I thought it was so cute. I was like, oh my god. Oh, by the way, I have a dried flower just there. I don't know if I should remove it. And then I have a poem I made, and my teacher really liked it, so I was so proud of it. So I just hang it there. And then I have some decorations. This is from my grandma. I think there's just earrings. Hold on, I'll try to open it. Yeah, this is just what's inside. I just put a ring in there because I don't know where else to put it. But yeah, it's really cute. I love it so much. This is a little, it's like a porcelain trinket box type thing. It's actually my sister's, but I took it from her. And yeah, there's just random stuff in there. So yeah. And then I have this dish. It came with the earring set, so I don't think you can buy the dish separately. But I keep washi tapes and other hair accessories in there. And then on the second shelf, I have perfumes. I have my favorite. This one's my favorite. This is from Fresh. It's their Sugar Lychee perfume. I love that one. There's literally nothing in here. So I need to get a new bottle, but they're kind of pricey, so. The bottle is actually thrifted, this fancy perfume thing. And then on the bottom, I have this random drink. This is so old. It's kind of gross, but I thought it was kind of cute. I just kept it here. If you try this, it tastes like liquid haichus. If you're wondering what it tastes like, that's what it tastes like. Then in the back, I have a vintage camera bag. I thrifted this, by the way. It comes with a key, which I thought was so cute. Then I have books. I love this book. This one's my favorite one. And then I have some vintage books. These are thrifted. It's the Book of Adventure and a book of famous fairy tales, sorry. And then I have this basket full of products. These are just products I'm gonna use for my next video, so I just keep that there. And ta-da! I have the vanity. I have a bouquet of dried baby's breath flowers. And then I have this little plate. I don't know what it's for. I think it's for soap originally, but I have a whole lot of clips and ponytails and applicators for my creams. And then I have my skincare. I have a whole lot of skincare videos if you want to see them. Okay, and then I have this. Oh, by the way, I forgot to mention. This is the mom drawer. I think so. Yeah, this is a sneak peek. Anyway, I have an old vanity tour. Don't watch that, it's embarrassing, but yeah, I have had this since 8th grade, and the mirror too, which is, oh, the mirror, I think it's from Ross or maybe TJ Maxx, but I'm not really sure. This mirror, this is from Costco. It's dual-sided. Oh, it also lights up. I've had this for forever. Like this, I got these 3 at the same time, so this is pretty old. Yeah, there's 2 sides. This one's way too close, so I never use that one. But yeah, this is really helpful, especially because I like doing makeup. I can do my makeup even at nighttime. And I have products I use the most, so they're just all in here so I can easily get them. On to the side, I have journals. This is usually for like school. And then I have my journal. This is like for every day, just to plan out my day. Yeah, and then I have my Alexa there. Ooh,
Sorry, I didn't get that.
I was trying to say it quietly, but anyway, you still heard me. Then I have a sleeping mask, a lip sleeping mask right here, and then a hair roller, which I don't need to use as much because I think I'm growing out my bangs. And then my most used brushes and tools for makeup. This is my makeup portion. It's organized, but it looks really messy. Oh, on this side, I have lip products, lip balms, and then highlighters, powders, bronzers, blushes, mascaras, like eye makeup, and then face. That's a mess. I need to find a better way to organize it because I don't like how it looks. And then on the bottom, I have this blanket covering a basket because it's so messy. I don't know how to organize it, like, at all. Anyway, there's this blanket, and then there's a mess. Okay, I don't know what to do with that. Okay, let's just leave that there. And then I have a trash can and chargers. I need to find a better way to organize. It's like this whole bottom part. I need to find a better way to organize. Then here is my window. And then here are the curtains. These are from Pottery Barn. They're pretty sheer, so you can see outside. Here, let me show you. It's really pretty outside today. Okay, I would have taken a video in the morning, but I had to drive somewhere, so I have a lot of pictures. And if you go on my Instagram, you see I post a lot of photos of my window because it's so pretty in the morning time. Here's the chair I sit on. It's kind of big, like, because I don't have a lot of room here to go around, but it's just so cute. It's like I can't get rid of this. It has really pretty gold detailings. This is thrifted, by the way. I don't know where this is from, but that's thrifted. And this blanket is thrifted. Then I have this plushie that Josabella gave me. This is so cute. It's a lipstick, and I think it just matches so well. She has a store, by the way. I'm gonna link it down below, so make sure to check her store out. Thank you. Then to the side, this is my side table, I guess. This is thrifted. I thought it was really cute because I needed color, and before I had like this silver lamp. Then I have some dried roses here, my watch, and my glasses. And then I'm just charging my AirPods right now. Anyways, when I tried them out at Costco, they were less angled, and when I got them, they were like really angled, so I was really confused, but yeah, these are my glasses. So there's a drawer, and I just keep essentials like pen, there's my Apple pencil in there, and then I have cuticle oil, then scissors, then for music and stuff, so yeah. I have this basket, and I keep a whole lot of journals just like when I feel like writing, and that's for my mood thing or whatever. And then I have my keyboard for my iPad. This is really cute. I bought it off AliExpress, which is really sketchy at first because you don't know if it's like by the real brand, but I took a risk and it's actually really nice. It's authentic. So I was really happy about that. So yeah, I just keep books in there also. And chocolate pie, do you see that? Then we have my bed. It's a queen size bed. And then I have fairy lights here. I'll show you a clip of what it looks like when it's dark. My pillow is just a cotton white cover. Then we have sushi. My bedding. I think this is also from Pottery Barn, but it was from eBay, like second hand. Oh yeah, by the way, these are both from Pottery Barn, but they're from eBay. My bed, I've had this for forever, since I was a baby, so I have no idea where that's from. I have a whole corner dedicated to instruments and music. And then I have a paper clip, or not paper clip, a wooden clip, I forgot what these are called, to keep my music in place because it always falls off. Violin, flute, and then I have a harmonica right there. Here is drawer chest type thing. These are just like everyday wear and exercise clothes. Then I have a whole lot of books. These are the books I want to read. Then I have this huge picture of the Eiffel Tower. I got this a long time ago, and I think this is also thrifted. And this is also secondhand. So yeah, a lot of my things in my room are thrifted and secondhand. I have pictures with friends from middle school, and then that's me when I was little. Then I have some necklaces that I used to wear daily. I don't wear necklaces as much now because I don't feel like it. My MacBook, I have a random piece of sheet music under there. I have a Polaroid or Instamax, and then to the side of that, I have a straw woven basket. I wear my pajamas more than once, so I just keep them under here. So yeah. Then I have my closet. My closet is so unorganized. I don't like how it looks. It's just a sneak peek. It's, oh my god, so bright. Yeah. Then we're back at the front, the entrance of the room. And that was it. Hi guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below. And I hope you guys have a great day. Bye!